Hey guys, Mr. Zern here. I want to talk briefly about concatenation and using commas versus the plus symbol. So let's just, I'm going to declare a quick variable here asking for a user input. And so let's just call it name. So name equals input. And let's ask a simple question. What is your name? All right. And obviously, if we run that, it's going to ask, what is your name? Adam, boom. Okay. So let's just print that so we can see, like, is it in fact storing that variable? And let's hit that, and it does. Okay, it says, what is your name? And I'm going to say Adam, and it prints Adam. Okay, great. So let's take this another step and kind of follow that up. And so I've seen some people trying this, and sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. And it's the reason it is or isn't comes down to whether you're using a comma or a plus in the concatenation. So normally, if you want to concatenate something, we could say, let me just add it to this print statement here and say, like, quotation mark, nice to. Oh my gosh, that is not how you spell two. There we go. Nice to meet you, comma, quotation mark, and then I'll put a comma there. All right. So let's run that, and I'll say Adam, and it says nice to meet you, Adam. All right. So that we're used to that. We could also do a plus sign. So oops, not an equal, plus. There we go. Let's run it again. Adam. Nice to meet you, Adam. Now notice there's no space there this time. So the plus doesn't give us a space in there. If I hit the space bar there and let's run it again, say Adam, and we can see that's there it is because I've kind of physically added a space there. All right, I'm going to leave that as a comma for the moment in this example. Okay, let's go beyond. Let's take this one step further, and now let's ask for another user declared input, and let's call this last name. And say, what is your last name? And we're going to try and concatenate this with a comma, and I'll say first name there. So obviously what I wanted to say is, what is your last name, Adam? And then, obviously we would type that in there. And I could even kind of go one step further and do another comma and kind of get that question mark in there so it reads out pretty nicely. Now, this should most likely give me an error message. Let's see what happens. What is your name? All right, oh, and there it is. Okay, so it's freaking out on line 3. So what we can do, if we want to concatenate a string with a variable and a user input, instead of the commas, we should be able to use a plus symbol. So let me run that a different way, and let's see what happens. What is your name, Adam? Nice to meet you, Adam. What is your last name, Adam? All right, so let's see. We've got some spacing issues to deal with, so let's add a space there. And let's say, I'll say Zern. And obviously nothing happens because there is no print statement, but let's do one final one and say, just we could do a little more concatenation. Have a great day. And let's see here. We could do comma, doesn't, or a plus. It kind of depends. Do you want a space? Do you not want a space? Up to you. So I'm going to say name, and then I'm going to say comma, because that's going to give me a space. And then I'm going to say last name, and then I'm going to do let's see, how about a plus symbol, because that won't give me a space, and then quotation mark with a period. All right. If I did that correct, it should work. Let's find out. What is your name, Adam? And it says, nice to meet you, Adam. What is your last name, Adam? And I'll say Zern. And it says, have a great day, Adam Zern. I'm going to just add a comma or two in here just to fix some of the grammar. So we need one there, and I think we need a comma here. All right, one last time. Let's see how it looks. I'll try some different names this time. What is your name, John? Nice to meet you, John. What is your last name, Smith? Have a great day, John Smith. So we can kind of see the difference there. I mean, commas work for a lot of things, but if you want to concatenate inside of a user input, you're going to need to use that plus symbol. That will allow us to do it. If you use a comma, that's going to be a no-go. Another big difference there, the comma, the comma gives you a space there. It adds an extra space, while the plus does not. So it kind of depends what you want to do. You can use either most of the time. Obviously, inside of a concatenated string with a variable using a user input, we have to use the plus symbol. But I just kind of wanted to show that to you so you could add that to your repertoire of Python tools. All right. I will talk to you guys later.